We got BTCT. We got BTCS. What did Blair say? MVST. Possibly NVST, although a bit of a higher float. So for me, I think maybe a no for that. But I'll leave it up. VST. Possibly NVST. I'll leave it up. Although. So good morning, Tim Martin, Daily Trades, Scratch Golfer. Good morning, Nate Simmons. Good morning, Damien, BZ for Exilian. So Bulls. Again, here's words of advice. Again, and I've said this many times. Position yourself for the full trading session. Right? Some people, they don't make money the first 20 minutes and they get frustrated. Sometimes that's the way trading is. Sometimes you have to kind of just tiptoe around until 30 minutes in the day when there's one breakout and you're able to pull in some profit. So many people within the first 5-10 minutes of the day, they're not doing well, and so they start to capitulate this negativity and this desperation to try to, even when things are not being that great. So consider that. There's a lot of days where yesterday I was struggling early in the day. You guys remember? And then I finished the day up $16,000 yesterday. So, yes, I was a little frustrated. I was not hitting early on. And I saw other people hitting. I heard of other people hitting. So it wasn't quite 16K. I was up at 16.1. I took a loss. I finished at 15.9. But 16K sounds better. So we're going with 6. It's basically 16K. But, actually, once you take out fees of $350, I finished around 15.5 gross. So not as cool.
All right.
So today, and I had to leave. I could have kept going.
A couple things today.
I could have kept going.
Let me turn.
But I had to go work.
So I think I might. So yesterday I actually finally did end up positive in L2Azimuth for today. So I think the target for L2Azimuth is $200. So basically that's 4 winning trades across Trespass. Dex's 5 is maybe 3 and 0.5, right? But just basically $200. So we're looking for 4 winning trades. Also, the other thing is we are going to do delta hedging. I don't think anyone has ever done 0 DTE delta hedging. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I used to do 0 DTE strangles. I still might. But I think now that the volatility has crashed quite a bit after the elections, I think it's more. I did get a loss yesterday. I was I'm not trading my best. I'm a little tilted. So, yeah. So, okay, we're just about ready for the bell, and let's focus up. I think a lot of really crazy. This one might be crazy. Let's see if it dumps after the market open. Most likely, it might not. Okay. I'm not going to go into anything yet. Did it halt? Yeah, it halted. Alright, so let's get Farmer back on. Okay, so that halted, so basically...
BTCS, big spreads. I'm a little worried about that.
Alright, so...
Do not like the spreads on this one.
What else do we have? Well, the rest of them look like shit. Kappa. Nope.
Sold out a little early there. Alt
There's
is
also
452.
BTCS. Okay, come on. Come on.
Bro, you gotta invest like.
Whoa.
Shut up.
It's
I don't
simple
see.
like that, bro.
Here's a great example of early on. I'm seeing a little bit too much risk on this. A little scary.
Alright, get 75 cents there. Oh, I should have just left it. Oh my god.
I sold probably a little early.
Shut the fuck
Shoot,
up.
I did.
Shut
Don't
the
tell
fuck
anybody
up.
I did that.
Okay. Guess someone brought that up to me because I didn't actually see that.
That bid drops out like
BTCS. Okay. So now do I want to fuck with it again? That's the question.
Little bit of that, little bit of this. Goes up and down. You
Okay.
know it, bro.
I know, dude. I am well aware. Wait, I'm doing something extremely new today. It's called 0 DTE delta hedging. I don't think anyone else will
This is
be
a little
doing
wild.
this.
You,
So you want to
be very
see me
careful on
fuck
this
up
one.
badly or not fuck up badly? Tune in. So we're gonna do that we're gonna do it on gold at 840.
KXIN's kind of
Okay,
similar.
wait,
price action.
KXIN. Oh, shit,
It
come
should
on,
be
what the
sized
fuck?
up.
I can't type. Alright. Fuck. Okay, let's see. What's our risk here? Our risk is probably 20. Oh, no, not that one. 20.
Ah,
Where are you?
shoot.
Okay.
Hey, when people are texting me.
Oh. Lost. Wow.
Dude, I gotta take my watch off.
I'm
because I
tuned
get
in.
text messages.
As you can see.
Oh my god, come on. I could have gotten it. Jesus, what is going on?
16 grand yesterday, so that's something I don't want to lose.
I'm trying to get a better price. I kind of fucked that up a little bit. I didn't get ready for the ad. Now it might run away from me. Or no.
It's just the
No.
stability is not there
No.
in this one. Should have brought it through already.
All right, market's getting hot actually. Shit. Okay. Oh shit! I'm
What
supposed to turn
the-
this on too. Whoops. Okay.
That KXIN
This is just testing right here. This is
So
just
far.
testing. Oh my god, that's so annoying, dude. Holy moly, that's annoying. That is annoying. Is this the backside now? Oh my god, now I gotta think about this a little bit more. Maybe it comes back down here. Bro. Oh, not 123, 103.
I'm not impressed with KXIN.
Oh, that's not good. Oh, that's not good. Not nice. Oh. Come on. Alright. It was kind of slowing down. Oh my god, now it's over. Okay.
Wow. All down on BTCT.
Okay. No, that's not good. Alright. That might have been it. What actually is good because now I can go back. Now I can go and trade gold. Which I just might do since Okay, here we go. We're gonna do some delta hedging. Okay, here we go. This is delta hedging. That what's our delta 0.5. So we're gonna also buy.
What's happened?
Okay, we
what's
can't do
happening to
both
this
at the same
market?
time. Okay, that's stupid. Okay, so let's just. Oh, we could. Hang on.
But it is a CPI numbers day.
Okay, let's just clear it.
Sometimes that creates
We'll
a
do
little
it in 2.
hesitation.
So we want to buy. What's 50 minus 15? 35, right? So we want to buy 35 shares. Okay. And then we want to sell that. And then we're just going to go. Okay, that kind of doesn't really work. Okay, so we'll do it in 2. We will sell first.
Order submitted.
Oh, let's see what this does. Okay, that's a Dexarray trade.
I should have sold on the ask. The bid is not.
Oh, okay, now it's running away from me.
There's
Great.
not a lot of stability in today's price
Lovely.
action.
I'm getting ran away from now.
Let's say bipolar. Think bipolar.
All right. Okay, now what do I do?
I should have sold on the ask. I could have picked up about $1,000 there.
Okay, I'm gonna wait for gold to come back up a little bit first. So I still have like 10 minutes that I can. I want
Blair's
to wait.
call out is working.
Okay, let's go back to small caps real quick. Let's see, is anything really doing anything? So BTCT is halted. BTCS. Just that one's pretty much gone. BTCS is still kind of strong. Now it's below VWAP. Actually, that looks pretty shitty too. Okay, so those look shitty, and I didn't get my fill. That's great. I'm gonna wait for gold to come up a little bit more. Okay, do I just do it here? Or what the hell do I do? Okay, let's just wait a little bit. Let's wait till the actual. So in 2 minutes, I'll do that new trade. So here, we're not getting any trespass trades. You know, this is L2Azimuth. Whoops. Let's not do that. It basically
screw you, buddy.
Okay. It uses level 2 data, so it's looking for bid and ask. Imbalances on trespass on this one, and then Dexarray is looking for aggressive orders. Okay. All right. So we're close.
I lost $200 there. So I should have bought the dip. I chased it. Shoot. BTCS is kind of chilling out a little bit.
Okay. What? Why didn't I get?
MVST, I do see it.
Oh yeah. Okay. Why didn't it fill me?
But I'm not sold on it.
Was that on limit?
At this point, I missed the main move. KXIN's a little too. KXIN, I would watch out for a potential curl and mega rip. You know how we saw that yesterday on BTCT.
Okay.
Thoughts on BTCT? Let's look at the resumption price. Resuming at $20 a share. I'm a little worried about that one being done.
Whoops. Oh. Okay, bro. Okay. I might have missed gold. I don't know. We'll see.
I'm not sold on BTCT. The float's not right. The float's not right, and I don't agree with it.
Okay, just give me a second.
I think the best one right now is
Kappa.
BTCS. Pearl in here, breakthrough VWAC most likely. Let's see.
That I actually don't really like either. I don't really like that. Just gonna watch gold for a while.
There we go. Now we have a nice bid there. I don't know if he's going to hold. You know how these Chinese work. It's kind of holding there. What the world? A possible continued breakout here. And wait for a dip. It doesn't look like we're getting one. I should have held. I hate my life. A dip. What the? Come on. So don't sit here and try to hyper scalp this move here too much because it's proven to be a little risky.
Okay. Okay, I don't even think that's right. Let's see. Where is my delta?
Oh, should have stayed in it.
Okay. So I think the small caps for now is done. Here I'm a delta hedge. So on the other screen, my delta will go back to. Okay, so does it show my delta? Yeah, my delta is 45 at the moment. So I want to be 15 down
bigger
on the
players
delta.
involved in these
so
tickers,
that's
which makes it kind of
pretty
hard.
much correct.
What's the flow on BTC?
Okay, I can't even get this thing to. Can't go any lower. Okay, let's see if I can do this.
Yeah, that's the thing is sometimes you can fudge the rules a little bit to suit the market, right? It's about solving the puzzle. Sometimes the puzzle you can't do the 1 second rule.
So here I'm trying to delta hedge. So if this goes, so I'm 15 behind the actual option delta. So that's kind of where I want to be. If this goes to, so I opened it at 45. So if this goes to 55, I'm going to add
Shaking,
10.
back a little
If
too
it goes
much,
down to 34, I'm going to add, I'm going to take away 10, which I can just do by clicking here. Okay. So KXIN is moving
here.
to, okay, how am I going to do this? Let's do this. Okay, so I can watch it here. KXIN. Okay.
Big seller there
Jesus
of some
Christ.
nature.
This is,
Bids coming up to it.
BTCS is, okay, BTCS is kind of like a hot play. Okay, this is pretty hot too. Nope.
Ooh. Got out very lucky there with a small win. I was trying to think break a 450, which still might be on the table, but we're getting a lot of selling here. Got a lot of selling. Gotta get out of there. What am I doing? $200 gone. This definitely feels Chinese. You know how those scallywags roll, those Chinese scallywags.
Okay, so our target is probably going to be 10 to 15.
Order submitted.
Okay, let's see. What is this? Dex array? Are we going to get filled? No. Okay, guys. Not even gonna look at it.
Careful, guys. This could be. I don't know what this could be. Could be just a flush.
40. Okay. So if this drops down to 35, I need to take off 10. Oil is actually going against me for some reason. Okay, the rest of this
This doesn't
small
look so
cap
good,
market
guys.
looks pretty bad. So do I just stop with the small cap market? No, we'll let it go for 30 more to 930.
KXIN had a rip.
So Connor, the inventor of L2Azimuth or whatever, he's coming on in a little bit. So oh, where's my delta? 45. Okay.
I don't know. Somebody was saying something about Chinese.
Oh, Kappa.
Back up here on this one. Interesting.
Is this
Should
gonna
we,
push?
should we trade
This is more of a
BTCS or
10.
KXIN? I don't know. BTCS or.
Nope, doesn't look good either. Wow, so many, lot of traps today. A lot of traps. Look at this. Trap. Just a ton of fucking traps. Okay, let's see what happens here.
Shoot.
I need to work on my furnace too in a little bit. I don't know how I'm gonna do that if I have to monitor this shit, but I guess we'll figure it out. Okay, so it looks like KXIN.
Just gonna take the $100. Wait for a pullback here. I think is the right call.
PTCS.
Shoot.
Okay.
Order submitted.
Okay, I think we're gonna go.
Careful.
Order filled.
So there's 40,000 share
Order
buyer there. I'm gonna try to
submitted.
buy off him. Not
Target
too scared.
filled.
He's not. He's getting it too much.
Okay.
Order submitted. Order filled.
So we had a number of orders there. Market is selling off. Oh my god, I'm such a fucking pussy. I knew that shit was gonna happen. Fuck me. Fuck. Alright, I'm done. I'm done trading small caps. Look at that. I'm such a pussy. I knew that shit was gonna push.
There we go.
Well, I didn't know for sure, but I had a good indication that it's gonna. So
Stop filled.
nice. Okay, so what we're gonna do is. Oh my god. Let me just.
Alt up is 481, so the haul level is pretty tight. I'm going to size down as we broke the apex level. Because it'll dip off the halt level and then come back to it. So there's the dip, and I'm hoping it comes back to it. Nope. That's a dropout. So that's a good thing I sized down.
Oh boy. Okay.
Order submitted.
Oh, hang on.
Order
Oh,
failed.
shit, I'm supposed to delta hedge. Okay, I didn't even delta hedge. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. Hang on. I'm supposed to delta hedge.
Order.
God, I'm
Order.
retarded.
Stop failed.
Okay. Alright, there's too much shit going on. I don't know what the fuck's going on. Okay, now I'm down. Jesus. Great.
I think we might need a pullback. It's hard to say.
If this goes to 25, I need to take off another 10. Or it goes back up to 45. Oh my god.
Gotcha. Thanks for the update, Zitty. I was hoping we'd get a mega snap there, but
I don't know why this is 4.22 when this is a 0. Oh, yeah, that's right, because I... Got it. Okay.
I would have liked to see a teleportation through 5 here.
Order submitted. Order filled.
I think we're getting a little too much resistance. Might need a pulley backy.
Come on.
72
Come on.
likes this
Bill
morning,
me,
guys.
bill me,
Appreciate
bill me,
it.
bill me.
Target filled.
Okay. Back to break even.
Order submitted.
Wow, we're getting a ton of orders now. Okay, I should have actually focused on this because this is actual real money. Let me move this over to over here, and let me. I'll work on
I had
this
the
on
right
the other
idea.
screen
Bad
for
timing.
now.
Bad timing.
Wow.
50,000 share
Down to
seller at
25 data
494.
now.
Screw you, buddy.
If it drops again, oh my god, look at this, look at this, look at this.
Missed it.
Okay, this one I actually want to pull back. I want to pull back. I want to pull back. I want to pull back to like a right there. Okay. Oops. If I had a, I guess if I had a. Come on. I know you can do it. You can do it. What? All right. That was ridiculous. How did I lose everything there? That was ridiculous. That was ridiculous. Okay, I'm done. I'm done with that. I'm down on the day. Basic. Oh my god, dude, that was retarded.
Yeah, the BTCS likes to do the shakeout and then the rip. That's kind of the theme on this. It's and so what I'm trying to do is anticipate that shakeout.
That is.
We got a pretty
How did I not get
big red
stopped?
candle here that scares me. I'm going to size down to 900.
All right, I'm done with that.
Thankfully,
I'm getting tilted on that. I'm getting tilted on that. That was stupid. What the fuck was that? Really lost my entire profits there. All right. .29 theta, so we're good. So this one, I'm just gonna wait for it to get to maybe like 10 to 20, 10 to 15. Not sure you saw that. I got flushed out. Flushed all my profits away. Lovely. So at 9 a.m., I'm gonna turn off Dexarray. Yeah, that's actually kind of It's actually kind of difficult to do all three, but I only trade gold 3 times a week, so tomorrow won't really have that problem. The oil is getting kind of rocked today.
KXIN's up. KXIN. Shoot. Missed it. I told you guys. When was I telling you guys how this may curl and rip like it did yesterday? And I came and stinking get a hold of it. KXIN rips. I'm not in it. I kind of forgot about it.
So I'm hoping gold will finish before 10 when I try spy for the first time. That is going to be difficult. That's going to be a little difficult one.
I don't know. I feel like KXIN's a little dangerous up here. I'm going to stay out of this for now. ETCS is somewhat applicable. Kind of a 5-minute pullback in BTCS now. Could be done.
Okay, gonna turn off Dexarray in just a second. I guess I can just turn it off now. Let's just give it a second.
All down 388. I would like to have seen the halt down, or not. I would have liked to have seen this come down more. KXIN ripping again. Shoot.
Oh, so annoying, dude, getting flushed. What the fuck? Okay, if this goes to 25, I need to sell another. Alright, so turn off Dexarray.
Can't hesitate.
And then at 9:30,
there, and I could have just went
I'm
for the
going
quick scope
to change the trespass settings.
You kidding me? Are you kidding me? KXIN.
This isn't really updating. That is a shame. I really don't think it's 28.52. But I mean, what else can I do?
BTCS I missed by just a second, man. Sickening to the soul. I'm just scared of a
All
flush
right, let me
on,
just check.
on
Let me check that
KXIN.
again somewhere on refresh thing because that doesn't seem right.
BTCS is back
Oh,
up.
yeah.
Relative stability.
So, like, can I even trust this number? Like, this number doesn't seem right. It could be right. Yeah, no, it says 20. No, now it says 21.
KXIN, I don't think is
Wow.
as stable as BTCS. BTCS is relatively stable. I mean, I shouldn't even say that. That's a dangerous thing to say.
These deltas are not actually updating. They're only updating. Wow.
Coming
That
back
is-
to BTCS,
that is crazy.
KXIN is made me mad. I think it's a little bit more safe on BTCS. Not easy, but it's a little bit safer.
That is actually kind of nuts.
KXIN, it was the first pullback, 583. Yeah, I could have made good money. I suck.
This theta is delayed. I actually probably need to talk to them. Or sorry, this delta is delayed. Why is it
How are
delayed?
you guys doing?
Why isn't this updating like constantly? Okay, in
I'm
that
hoping to get a
case, I
pullback, something like
might
this.
not do my 0 DTE spy because this delta is not updating. All right. That is annoying.
Got in a little early.
Order filled.
Okay, got a trespass trade.
Ah, shoot.
Maybe make this one.
How much did I just
Target
lose?
Nice.
filled.
Okay, so our goal is $200. Still.
6 cents on 5,000. About $300.
So this delta is
So I
not
should have.
okay.
My reason I thought was buy 415. So yeah, I should have.
If that delta is not correct,
okay,
I
bear flag
might-
on this.
This is
Very
probably
frustrating.
not.
Indeed. I bet you my pattern's gonna come out to work, and then I'm gonna miss it all. We'll see. We'll see. 5 minute don't look so good. Careful of a flush here. Careful of a flush. Careful of a flush.
So here,
I gotta pull out of here.
Why did
pull
it?
out of here? I had to pull
I
out
like
of there.
that.
Pull out of there.
Okay,
risky.
22.
It could repeat this right here. I wouldn't be surprised if it does. Really. So, trying to. Shoot, son. I got out break even. I should have taken $1,000 win. Ah, brother.
If
was
this
a
goes to
false break on
to
set, but very
15,
slow-
I have to go
slow
to
acting.
5. I have to go to basically nothing.
Did anybody catch this? That was pretty good. I was scared it was a flush. Oh my goodness. We'll come back to that one.
I mean, I don't even know what this value is.
Ah, what the heck? AXIN I'm red on. I don't want to lose any more on it. BTCT flushing. Shoot. I keep coming back to this guy.
Target filled.
Okay, cool. 2 more and or 2, maybe 1 more. I don't know. Okay, I don't know what the delta is, guys. I don't know what the delta is. Literally, just don't know what the delta is. Is it 13? Is it actually really
Okay, I'm
13? Well,
starting
I'm
to
still
bleed a
up on the
little too much
day,
on this.
but like, is it actually 13 or what the hell is it? Oh, dear God, dude, why is this?
So this one's kind of falling apart. This one fell apart.
It says 14.
one
I
fell
severely
apart.
doubt that's 14.
Getting smoked.
Okay, now it says 10.
Which tickers did them in today?
Okay, well, I'm just gonna sit here for a little bit. Let's see if I can milk another $4 out of this. I don't actually think I can because there's like a minimum.
Mitch, you getting
So
floating
what I'm gonna
orders?
do is I'm just gonna close it because this is kind of this is ridiculous. So I'm gonna try.
So here's the
Buy this
deal. BTCT halted down. Slight chance of a double bottom trade on BTCS, but obviously very risky. And right there, this thing might be done. It's too bad. This false breakdown dub here should have been the one to take it. So I'd say it's kind of a pause moment. We got MVST. I just don't want to crack. I don't want the big flow. I don't like the price. And I don't want to support such a stock. I'm going to do some big boy thinking on KXIN. Let's go to the daily chart. I think KXIN could make another run up. I don't know when. I'm assuming we're going to get chopped around. I actually got real mushroom coffee today. Oh. I'm going to stay out of KXIN for now. Which means it's probably going to go up really big.
Alright, I'm just gonna close this because I have no idea what the. Yep. Nice. Now I lost my
All right, the BTs are back in play. From 16, man, the range on BTCT is so great. One trade on that could be big win or big loss. It's nice that BTCS moves in, in tandem, sort of.
What was my actual fills there? I filled at 12. I mean, that's not bad.
109 likes, guys. Cool.
And
Cool. Can't get it high. Yeah, wait for a pullback here. Wow, MVST is going. So
Welcome to Tasty Trade. Please listen closely to our new phone menu. For help with a trade or margin call, press 1. If you are having problems logging into your account, press 2. For all other questions, press 3.
I'm not sold on it. MVST is still going.
For
Who's
quick
propping
answers
that
to
thing
most
up, huh?
questions, use our chat portal or browse our help center at tastytrade.com/support. For account opening, press 1. For deposits and withdrawals, press 2. For technical support, press 3. For all other questions, press 4. Thanks. We will connect you. This call will be recorded.
Shoot. Sold there for a small win. Oh my goodness.
yeah, so I'm on the line with tech support right now. I need to figure out if this is. Well, technically it says I actually made money, but I kind of doubt I made money there. So we're waiting for Connor to come on.
I'm not so sure about this.
Did you know that most questions can be answered through
Things
our
have
chat
really
portal
taken
or
a
by browsing our
dark
help
turn.
center? Visit tastytrade.com/support to get started.
Vols, you made it seem like you were like big red on the day, and now you're saying you're up $200. Holy crap. A little bit slow exit on this ETCT.
Are you still, dude? Rotenberg, are you still? Is anyone still? Okay, I'm not gonna go.
Okay. So a little bit of a loss on KXN. Yeah, still walking away nice green though. That's good. Good. Anybody else? What's your guys' P&L? Type it in. Spreads are quite big on this one. I guess that was a good trade.
Morning, it's Marty at Tasty Trade, and how can I help you today?
Hello, good morning. This might be a very technical question. So I'm trying to do a new trade, which is something called delta hedging 0 DTEs. And as part of that, I need to actually see the real-time deltas of the options that I'm shorting. I tried one on gold this morning, and it doesn't seem like the deltas on the options chain are updating in real time. There seems to be a lag because you have you have 2 decimal places of precision, and when the market moves, it doesn't update like right away. It just kind of lags a little bit, and then maybe, I'm not sure what the algorithm is, maybe a little bit later it updates. So I just want to know what the specifications for that might be. Does that make sense? That might be, it's more of like a data, again, maybe a data issue, or just like just trying to clarify what kind of data I'm looking at. Okay.
Welcome to Tasty Trade. Please listen closely to our new phone menu. For help with a trade or margin call, press 1. If you are having problems logging into your account, press 2. For all other questions, press 3. For quick answers to most questions, use our chat portal or browse our help center at tastytrade.com/support. For account opening, press 1. For deposits and withdrawals, press 2. For technical support, press 3. For all other questions, press 4. Thanks. We will connect you. This call will be recorded.
Hello?
Good morning, it's Marty at Tasty Trade, and how can I help today?
Hi, I just got disconnected. I'm not sure if I was speaking to you before.
I'm not sure. Go ahead, how can I help you though?
So I have a question. So I'm trying to do something called 0 DTE delta hedging. And so what it entails is basically I short an option, and I'm looking at the deltas and trying to hedge that with shares. But I tried that with gold this morning, and it seems like the delta is delayed, or if that makes sense, because there's 2 decimals.
You have to put in real-time deltas on the trade page, and that'll help you.
Sorry.
Hold on one second.
Okay.
All right, just go to your trade page. Are you on the desktop or are you on the?
So the way, yeah, I'm both on the desktop and also the app. So I'm looking at the deltas through the website, and then I'm using your active trader, like with the active with the safety off, to delta hedge in real time.
Well, I mean, you're going to be able to see them better on the trade page, and then you could. I mean, they're not going to. They're going to change, obviously. What's the underlying you're trying to do?
Just GLD. I wanted to do a SPY a little bit, but but I was concerned because the deltas weren't updating in real time.
Well, they do here. I mean, they're going to update as they change. I mean, obviously there's a mechanism for it. But if you put it on what do you have on your columns on like GLD?
So the way, yeah, so on not on the desktop. I'm just using your active trader, so I can't actually see the deltas. But on the website, I'm going into my positions tab, and then I put delta in there, and
Just go to your, just do it on the trade page even there, because then you're going to get real-time deltas for each individual option, which is what you're after. You're not really after the deltas on your positions, are you?
no, I'm looking at the actual delta.
Yeah, no, it's not a big deal. I know guys that do this. Go to open it up on the web-based, obviously,
Okay.
and then just go to your trade page,
Okay.
and let's put GLD up in there. Hold on one second. And then go to trade.
Okay.
And then on those two columns, I have delta and extrinsic. Just put delta up there,
Yep.
right next to the bid, and then you're going to get them, in real time as they change. You're going to get them up to the, as soon as there's an adjustment to be made. And then you can look at, like at the monies are trading like a 42 delta. If you're the 243 is trading at 27, and then you can just transpose that or whatever to.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, I don't think it's going to be something that you would need. It's always good to have, but if it was trading every second, as soon as it makes an adjustment, it's up there. So you have a really good idea what you're trying to trade for when you're trying to trade it, and then you can use it you can use this in correlation with the active trader mode.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
All right. Yeah, no worries. You have a great rest of your day. Need anything else?
Nope, that will be it.
All right, bro.
Thank you.
Excuse me. Have a great day.
Okay, so that was worthless. That guy didn't know what he was talking about. It obviously is not updating in real time. So let me see what happens if I go to my. Let's see my other data feed. Let's go to. Yeah, let's just compare it. Let's just compare it real quick, cause let's compare. Dude, I'm still pissed about the stupid shit this morning. God damn it. No, and Thinkorswim is definitely updating in real time. He's fucking out of his mind. 0.3. No, it's supposed to be 0.37. This is definitely not in real time. Okay. We still can do this. I just have to look at the taste. I have to go look at a different. My dear God. Okay, so let's see if I can. Okay. Yeah, because now it's 0.36. This is not in real time. He is incorrect. Okay, so we still can do it. How do I want to do this? Can I pop this out? Yeah, I can detach this. Can I detach it? No. Wow, this is confusing. So how do you do something like this? Okay, where's Connor? So he's having some troubles. So what are my thoughts so far on today? So this is, I mean, if this is correct, this is not horrible. So basically the translation from replay to live sim here without a BPS is not 100%, obviously, but it is kind of profitable, especially to trespass. I need to hone down on counter spoof a little bit more, because counter spoof depends on micro probabilities, and you know, obviously that changes with the number of bars that you look at. So I do need to model and run that on different bars. Okay, he's having trouble. I am a little bit annoyed. Okay, so now I can actually, I'm actually up. It's interesting. So I made $4, but I think with commissions I probably made like 3 on gold. I mean, that's not bad. That's not bad for a first try. I probably, I mean, I don't think, let me focus this in. Okay, so at 9:30 we're gonna drop the trespass settings a little bit. Okay, so I just asked Connor something. All right, here, this is what we're gonna do. We're going to change it right now. So now we're gonna change this to, so we're gonna stop at 10 o'clock. We're just gonna, okay, at 10 o'clock we're just gonna stop and see where we're at, if we should stop for the day. So now I'm gonna change this to 2.5, so drop it by 0.5 and keep the same ratio. So with SPY, I want to be 10 behind. Yeah, he's not correct, dude. This is real time. That thing is not real time. I mean, good thing I have actually this data, man. Oh my god, if I didn't have this data, it's like I can't. There's no way I can actually do this. Okay, let's see if we can make this. Oops. All right. So we're moving up a little bit on SPY. So let's see how SPY actually looks. I mean, here's the problem. Look at this. Look at this VIX level. Jesus Christ! How can you actually make money in that? Very hard.
In both directions. We're going to leave all three scanners on at this point. You can see we're getting a bit of a trend here. We should be turning trespass off, but for the sake of them, looks like we bounced right off of this automatically marked red strength level there. Got filled into a long position, a bit of a poor fill there in terms of like the offset. Looks like we ended up losing that trade, unfortunately, after it hit our stop chase. You can see our settings are on the screen.
I
Keep in mind that we do in fact have microcongruity enabled, which is going to limit the actual potential in terms of being able to directly copy each individual trade with those settings. So with this enabled, usually we're gonna turn this off, but I want to have really high accuracy today. I have not streamed in a while, so I hope you guys can understand. I'm fine with you guys following along, but today I just just getting back into it. The first day back, I want to have the greatest edge possible, and having microcongruity enabled is going to provide that. So, hope that makes sense, guys. I'm sorry if you're not able to get the exact same fills as me. However, you should be getting.
Target
Looks
filled.
like we ended up winning that. Trade up to $83 now. Very nice. We're using the same settings as November. First, we did decrease the take profit of our entry strategy to be what's it called? 3 ticks instead of 4 ticks for that. Wow, awesome, Joey. Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. I am at a new place right now. A little bit of a temporary staycation from where I usually live. However, it seems that the internet at this new place is a bit crappy. So the stream quality isn't going to be optimal. However, I don't think that maybe I can just remove the gate where it sends it to my computer first. But that's how I got around the microphone issue. I might have to make the stream have instead. I have the stream set to ultra low latency, and I think that is causing a couple of issues. With a slower upload rate. Let's see.
Target filled.
I understand, guys. I know that there are some issues with the stream. I apologize. Really trying to get that dialed in. I understand that it's buffering. Yeah, I hear you guys. I'm trying to figure that out. Unfortunately, I cannot change any of the output settings while I'm on stream, which is really sad. Here, I'm just going to disable the settings overlay, and I'll just post something in the comments later, which will have it. But 6 bars. Well, sorry guys. Really trying to. Yeah, I can see there is quite a bit of a wait right now. I'm looking at that. Yeah, it looks like my stream is slowly getting a little bit more stable. No, it's still at 1300 kilobytes a second.
Target
Just
filled.
got filled there into a short position, immediately won that up to 416. By the way, guys, we are using a 0 tick limit order offset today, so keep that in mind. Another counter spoof trade here in the short
Target
direction. Ended up
filled.
winning that one as well, up to 583. Yeah, I can see here. I'm sorry, guys. I know you guys are probably tuning out of the stream because of the poor stream quality. Apologize.
Target filled.
All right. Okay, I'm back.
Yeah, I'm sorry, guys, for this unstable stream. Really trying to get this dialed in.
Target filled.
Ended up winning that trade up 916.20. Thanks, guys. Appreciate the patience. Again, really just unfortunate that it has to be like it is, but you know, here, I'm gonna increase the size of that so you guys can see that a little bit better.
Target filled.
Just got filled there up to 1,070 now. Hey guys, super helpful if you guys left a like on this stream. I know the stream is not incredible right now, but leave a like if you guys are on and you're chatting. Hey Raphael, I'm very interested to hear why that is because everyone else is doing well. So. And if I'm not mistaken, Raphael, you were on Brett's stream like all last week, and you were making thousands of dollars a day on NQ. So I'm very curious why you say that.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay.
Stop filled.
No.
Okay, looks like you deleted your message there. Not sure why you did that, but okay. Three tick take profit for both NQ. Or for both trespass and counter spoof. Sorry. What is your current win rate together with?
Order filled.
Okay. If we
Target RR.
oh, we gotta win this one, otherwise we're gonna be in trouble. Come on, come on, push. It should be able to push through this this liquidity right there.
Stop filled.
Wow.
I think it's about 78% now. RR is just going to be, it's going to be slightly greater than 1, but after commissions it's just going to be 1. We do that with the stop chase. So with our stop chase on counter spoof, this leads to lower losses, lower average losses than average wins. But after slippage and commissions, it ends up being pretty close to 1, just slightly above it.
Okay, now I gotta figure out if I want to do this.
Hey, Life is Peachy. Hey, Life is Peachy. It is. Just the amount of selected bars. Hey, L2Azimuth. Yes, my live account is with Ninja Trader.
I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna keep on 3.
Hey, Martram, you can email me at contact@futuresanalytica.com.
You-
Target filled.
End up winning that trade up to 1,236 now. I know, guys. I apologize about it. If you guys just go back about 5 seconds and just watch from there, it should be a little bit better. I know this will introduce a bit of a delay, and I'm sorry about that, but if you're having issues.
Okay. So I think I'm just gonna keep on
With
3,
the
and
string
then I'm just
freezing,
gonna
just go back a little bit and let it buffer a little bit more.
I'm gonna trade it. How can I say this? Okay. Also, let me see if there's any. So there's a ton of Fed speakers coming up. You know what? I'm just gonna do it. Okay, let's just go for it. We're really close to at the money at the moment. Okay, we're actually coming down a little bit. So let's go this. So the delta here is 40.
Target
So
filled.
basically 50. Okay.
Ended up winning that trade as well. I believe that was a counter spoof. Trade.
Okay. What is actually my margin now? How much is it? Okay, it's not even showing up. Let's see. Okay, so now I gotta look at this number here. $18,000, using 18,000 margin. So I am 40 shares into this. So if this drops to 30 or goes up to 60, I need to make an adjustment. Need it. I'm just gonna do a quick scalp. Just gonna look for like maybe $15 or something because I need to work on the furnace. So, but if it goes against me, obviously I have to stay
Me,
in the
Pablo,
entire-
actually don't have it set up like that. It's a bit different. Sounds good, Life's PG. I'll probably end up doing that.
Target filled.
Somehow ended up winning that one up to 1,570. Hey, AutoQ said, are you going to adapt the strategy to work on tick plays? I am very interested in working on it on tick plays. I think that'd be pretty cool. We're big fans of the tick plays platform.
Okay, 47. $46. Remember, if it goes down, it actually helps me. So 45. So I might have to sit here for a while.
Paid about
Cat's going
$229
nuts, too.
after commission or in commission, so we are at $1,570 in net profit.
As you can see, that's why I want something like this, right, to work. So, you know, when like there's nothing to do but to sit here and look at these numbers, I can, you know, trade this as well, which is very like, you know, doesn't really require a lot of intelligence. So this trade, this delta might probably take me to 12 o'clock, so I'll probably stop at 12. So I'm gonna cut the stream at so we're basically break even. I might just, because we were doing pretty well with like the base 3 settings, so I might just leave it on that. It could have been up like about 100, which isn't bad. But after commissions, we're probably flat on the day.
Hey there, Touch of Modern Trading. Yeah, you're not going to get the exact same trade signals as me on what's it called, when I have microcongruity enabled. So I did let you guys know about that in the beginning of the stream, but